Maintaining a boiler is an important task that helps ensure the appliance is working properly and efficiently. By following a few simple steps, you can extend the lifespan of your boiler and save money on energy costs. It is important to regularly check the pressure of your boiler to ensure it is at the proper level. If your radiators are not heating up properly, you may need to bleed them to remove any air trapped inside. To bleed the radiators, locate the bleed valve at the top of each radiator. Flushing the system can help remove any sediment or debris that has accumulated inside. To flush the system, turn off the power supply and the cold water inlet valve. Then, attach a hose to the drain valve and open the pressure and temperature relief valve. Allow the system to drain until the water runs clear, then close the valves and turn the power back on. If you feel you need help with any of these tasks, it is recommended to hire a professional heating technician.